Hello, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. Randall and Rueff here. Today is Tuesday, June 16th, 2020 AD. It is 1:31, 1:32. I got my flashlight I ordered from Amazon, off of Amazon. I didn't order it. This took forever to get here. 13 days before they even shipped it from the time I ordered it. I could have had it before I could have received it before I ordered it. No, I could have received it before they shipped it if they sent it when I ordered it. That's how I want to say it. Got my handy dandy scuba knife. Probably don't need it, but why not do overkill, right? See, I don't even need it. Oh, let me put it back in. Okay, there it goes. This is supposed to be like super duper bright. Look at that big box. This is the box that came in. This is the actual box. Make a note here. Look at this. Anyway. This is supposed to be like a really bright flashlight. So we're going to open her up and see here. Okay, I got this. Out of focus. Oh, okay. This is the. Okay, so I've got. Wow, it's heavy. I got one of these, two of these, a USB charging cable, then the flashlight itself. It's pretty heavy. I mean, it feels sturdy. It looks pretty cool too. Whatever. Wow. Looks pretty cool. I like the way it looks. Okay, so let's see what we got here. I'm gonna take this stupid thing off. This is stupid. I hate this thing. Well, I hate it, but I don't like it. It doesn't look. It's very cheap looking. You got a really cool flashlight. You get this dumb. Okay, I'll tell you what. Let's see if I got some scissors in here. They give you this really cool flashlight, then they give you this really stupid lanyard or connection part to the lanyard. I might actually keep that part. That actually might come in handy, so I might keep that part. It's just this part right here is kind of. Well, I don't know. On the other hand, maybe not. No, probably. Well, I might keep. I don't know. That might come in handy for something. I don't know. I'll think about it. Okay, so we got this. Throw that away. That looks pretty cool, though. That's. All right, let's see what we got here for the batteries. So that's what the batteries look like. There's two of them. So I think the power on this is supposed to last 7 hours. So I'll be interested to see tonight when I go outside tonight and see how bright it really is. But it's supposed to be really awesome. So we'll see tonight how bright it really is, because you probably can't. Nope, I need to. But it looks cool. It's got some heft to it, so that's really cool. I really like it so far. So, but yeah, here it is. USB cable. I'm not sure what these are really for, though. Maybe they're supposed to. Maybe you're supposed to put them inside the... Maybe that's just to protect it if it's... I don't know. I mean, they fit in there, but the batteries won't go inside them, so maybe it's just for storage or something. I don't know. I'll have to look it out, but there it is. It looks good, feels good in the hands. The knurled feel to it is really nice. The knurling. That's the word I want to use, the knurling. You do have to push, there's really a spring, you're going to have to push when you twist the lid on, because it's really not wanting to, that spring pushes it. There we go. You just have to, but yeah, there it is. There's a little USB. Let's see, you can see there you go. USB charging port. But it looks good. Like I said, it feels good. It feels pretty tight, so that's good. I mean, you don't want it real loose. So, but there it is. So until next time, I'm Randall saying thanks for watching. Have a good day. God bless.